Hey guys, a quick update on the Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Whoever has got like the handles and they all look bad, you can swap them from the front driver's side to the back. That's and it's perfect fit. This were on the front door, and I unscrew it, and I'm gonna put the one that were on the back, and they are perfect fit. So if you're looking for swapping the handles because of the driver's side, of course you're using them a lot, it's a perfect fit, and you're gonna have a nice clean handle from the back door. The only thing you have to do, pop this armrest out, and then the plastic piece that goes around here, and there is a little bit plastic out here, and that's it. So that handle is from the front. All right, just some update on that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.